Impressive from the front, elevated position. Welcome to number 8 Foote Street, Redland Bay. Dazzling throughout, high ceilings, ducted air conditioning, and a super versatile floor plan. You will be impressed. You have a king-size master suite with a superb ensuite and walk-in robe. 4 bedrooms, all double size. 3 living areas, gas cooking, luxury bathroom, flowing from indoor to outdoor living at a breeze. Location is superb. Bushland walk tracks at the end of the street. Schools, walking distance. Water, only a few meters away. It's a dream home waiting for you.